Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Mustang battery, easy method. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal, remove the hold-down clamp, lift out the old battery, place the new battery, secure the hold-down clamp, reconnect the positive terminal, then the negative, and test the electrical systems. I will walk you through torque tips and basic safety steps so you feel confident completing this simple maintenance task. Before we touch anything, make sure the car is off and the key is removed from the ignition. Disconnecting the battery can trigger electronics, so I recommend noting radio codes and settings. Use the correct wrench size for terminals and avoid metal contact between tools and battery posts. If a terminal is corroded, clean it with a baking soda solution and a nylon brush before installing the new battery for a reliable connection. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides. Quick recommendation: the small Echo Dot makes a great shop companion for timers, music, and voice controls while you work. I often use it to play playlists or set reminders during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it pairs nicely with garage setups. Now let's get back to the video. When installing, double-check that the battery is seated evenly in the tray to avoid vibration damage. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure clamps are snug but not stripped. If your car has memory functions, be prepared to reset clock and radio presets or use a memory saver. Finally, run the engine to confirm charging and check for warning lights to ensure everything is functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.